So this is my overlocker and she works very, very hard. So I'm just going to open her up now because I think looking at this here, she needs a bit of TLC and a bit of a clean. No judgment here as I have a look inside. Yeah, she definitely needs a little clean. So I'm just going to use these little brushes to collect all of the little bits of fluff. Yeah, see, even the spring for the door here. There's loads of fluff in here. I mean, just look at all of this that's under here. Oh, that's tangled in my thread. There we go. And just all on the inner mechanism here is just covered in all the little bits from the fabric. You can see here there was like that whole tuft that was just hanging around. So I'm going to sweep it all here and then I can just sweep that into my hand. So yeah, she'll feel a lot healthier not having all of this inside her. You can tell she works very hard. Oh, I'm dropping it all over the floor now. So if we open out this side, you can see all the fluff that is in there. So I'm going to just use these little brushes. Try and be as delicate as I can. These are almost like a silicone mascara wand. I mean, look at that. It's like one of my cats has been living in here. Like a little furry animal has been living in here. So if I just show them that all the way around. So this is going to need a good clean. The inside of the door. I mean, look at that. It's just so much. So I do find it helps when you're cleaning it out to have a little bit of scrap fabric to wipe the brush on to get the fluff on. Otherwise you just end up moving all the fluff around the machine. So you can see this little bit is scooping up all those little bits of fluff that have been kept in my machine. It's actually quite satisfying looking at everything you're getting out of it. So I've got quite a lot around it and it's all going on the floor. So I'm just going to use my hoover to get the bits around it off, but I'm not actually going to use my hoover in the machine. I even went as far as to clean the little bit, the back where the thread combs go on. Look at her now. There is obviously the odd little bit of fluff here that has just settled in between me cleaning her and taking the video, but generally that looks so much better. And around here that looks so much better, and in the door, brilliant. And I've kind of cleaned around here, but it just kind of settles back again. But having loads of dust inside your overlocker, it's not going to work as efficiently as it could do, and it's a really good idea to take care of your things to prevent any dust getting in them and then them not working efficiently and having to pay a lot for repairs and services. So I'm not saying this will never break, but I'm just saying by looking after it we can just make sure it's cared for well and lasts a bit longer. If you've got any questions about cleaning your overlocker or you want to know more about the little brushes I did, let me know in the comments.